All right, so if you guys need lighting for your backyard, this is perfect. These are string lights and they look like glass, but they're actually plastic. Now, I like that they give you 3 additional LED lights. So if you find anyone that are broken, make sure you test it out prior to setting it up, right? And they actually give you 2 fuses too, because it does have a fuse. So if it gets burned out or it doesn't turn on, try that first. Now, these lights are great for a beautiful ambiance in your backyard. If you want to, relax in the night, maybe go in the pool at night and you want lighting, this is a perfect way to do it. So we're going to set these up right now and see how they look. I do have a large pool here in my backyard. It's a above ground pool, and I want to get in at night once in a while. So I want to set these up and turn on the lights so it could be pretty bright when I'm going or working out or doing some stuff, some swimming, or just relaxing. This is a perfect way. Check it out. So I just set them up here. The entrance is right here. I could extend it even longer because it has another input at the end, but look at these. It goes all around here, comes here, goes above me, goes and continues. I double looped it there because it's a long line, but look how much light I have in my backyard now because of this. So easy to set up. I put in a connection that automatically I connect it off and on, so it's making it much easier. And out of the box, none of them were actually burned out or anything. I like that they give you the extra light bulbs, the LED lights, so everybody that wants to swim at night, they could do it with nice lighting, good ambiance to your backyard. If you're gonna set up your pool or have a picnic or barbecue, these are perfect. And they're long, so if you guys are looking for long strings lights like this, these are perfect for you guys. So my recommendation, if you have a tent, you're gonna set up a tent party, this is it. Hope you guys enjoy this video.